Guys, Mr. Lloyd here, going to work with you on today, May 11th. Today's Monday, and we'll be working through our math for this video today. I'll start with this page that we're on here. So this is part of your packet. It's page 15 in your packet. The math section begins about halfway down the page. So come on down and let's get right into it. A little bit of a review here. Another name for mean is average. So our job was just to fill in those missing letters there. And then the rest of this page discusses the concept of median. And so the median here is, you notice the big bolded words, the middle number. They list it a whole bunch of times. So remember, these words would be the kinds of things that we'd be taking in our notebooks if we were in class. These would be the sorts of things I'd be talking about in front of the class. The big important thing about the median is that first off, my dog has joined us. Welcome. The big important thing about the median is that we order the numbers from smallest to largest, and then we find the middle number. And that's really all the median is. Sometimes there's a small calculation we have to do, but ordinarily it's the middle number in our data set. So pretty straightforward. Okay, I'm going to take you to the next page where I show the answers to the puzzled penguin questions. So this first one here, remember these are the challenge, so you don't have to do these, but they're great practice for you. First one here I did in pink in the right hand margin. Okay, so the first one I listed out here. So what Puzzled Penguin has here is she has this data set that you see listed here, all single digit numbers. And if you look here, the way she ordered these numbers, she's got 1 in the middle, and she's saying, is this the median? Did I make a mistake? And of course, the most important thing about the median is that we order them from smallest to largest. And if we look at her data set, it goes 7, 4, 5, 1, 6, 3, 9. So, or sorry, 1, 6, 8, 9. Not ordered in the center. So we need to rewrite these so that they are ordered or organized from smallest to largest. So I did that here. And then I just find the middle number, and the middle number on this data set is 6. So pretty straightforward there. Not too hard. Puzzle Penguin's mistake was just not organizing or ordering the data correctly. Okay. And then for this next Puzzle Penguin question, for the other challenge question for today, we've got 2 different data sets here, and let's take a look. So she wrote the 2 sets of numbers shown at the right to help a friend understand how to find the median of a set of numbers. Explained that the median of the top set of numbers was 142 because 142 was the number in the middle. That is correct. She ordered it from greatest to least, 205, 142, and 110. So that's largest to smallest. And the middle number is 142. I just rewrote it smallest to largest. Middle number is 142. Doesn't change the median as long as we order it in one way or the other. Okay. And then let's take a look at the next set of data. We've got 56 and 40. I explained that the median of the top set was 140. Oops, excuse me. We're down here where it says, then I explained that the bottom set of numbers had no median because there was no number in the middle. That is incorrect. We can always find a median with any data set, any set of values. It's fairly straightforward. Here we have the 2 numbers, 40 and 56. We're looking for the number that is in the middle. Of course, in this case, it's not clear what number falls in exactly in between 40 and 56, but we have a method to find that out. We find the mean of these 2 numbers, and we find that mean by adding them together. 40 plus 56, we divide by 2, and so we get 40 plus 56, which is 96. 96 divided by 2 is 48. So there is our median, 48. So the answer to answer Puzzle Penguin's question, no, you did not provide your friend with the correct advice on the second data set. You should have come and found this median to be 48. Okay, that's all we're going to do for this video. Today was a little bit of an introduction and a little bit of practice with median. On the next video, I'll show you the page where we calculate the median using a couple different data sets, and we will go from there. We'll continue to be using median quite a bit as we work through the rest of this unit in math, and you'll be using it significantly as you are working in your math classes next year and in 8th grade, and similarly in your science courses next year, you'll need to find the middle range in your, the middle value in your data quite often. So good concept. Median is not too complicated. It's just the middle number. That's the most important thing. Order it and then find the middle number. All right, thank you for watching. Please continue to ask your questions through Zoom, through our YouTube comments, through a text message, phone call, email, all the different ways to get in touch. Let's get the help you need, and we'll see you on the next